A lush orchid garden with beautiful blooms is not only for professional growers, you can achieve it too. Welcome to Great Garden. In today's video, I'll share a simple, natural orchid care method that anyone can easily do at home, yet it brings noticeable improvements to the plants. When used properly, your orchid will develop strong, plump, white roots. Evenly growing flower spikes with naturally forming, longer-lasting buds. If you want your orchids to stay healthy and bloom beautifully without complicated care, this video is for you. Let's get started. Do you have any potatoes in your fridge? Potatoes are not only a familiar food, but can also be used as a natural source of nutrients for plants. Today, I will share a type of fertilizer made from potato peels. First, use a knife like this and peel the potato. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Potato peels contain potassium, calcium, and vitamins E, B, and C, which help orchid leaves stay green, thick, and healthy, boost resistance, and reduce common diseases such as fungal and bacterial infections. Next, cut the potato peels into thin slices as shown in the video. Cutting the peels into small pieces helps break down their structure, allowing nutrients such as starch, potassium, and vitamins to be released into the water more easily, so plants can absorb them faster and more effectively. Then, put all the chopped potato peels into the blender. Next, add 400 milliliters of water and close the lid of the blender. And now, I will blend everything until it is well mixed and smooth. Blending thoroughly helps completely break down the structure of the ingredients, releasing maximum amounts of starch, vitamins, and minerals into the solution. As a result, the nutrients dissolve more easily, are absorbed faster by plants, and work more effectively. Once the potato peels are fully blended, the mixture will appear slightly cloudy, just like in the video. Next, I strain out the pulp and keep only the liquid extract for the plant care step. Finally, add 1 liter of water to dilute the solution. That's it. The solution is now ready to be used as an organic fertilizer. Let's apply it to your orchids right away. Before applying fertilizer, water the plant first. If the growing medium is too dry, the roots will not be able to absorb nutrients, making it difficult for the plant to recover. Pre-watering promotes healthier root growth and faster orchid recovery. After watering, allow the plant time to absorb moisture. Once the roots turn green, indicating adequate hydration, you can safely apply fertilizer without risk to the plant. Repeat the same process with the remaining plants, making sure each one absorbs enough water before fertilizing. Method 1. First, I transfer the diluted potato peel extract into a watering can. Next, water gently around the base of the orchid, so the solution slowly penetrates the growing medium, allowing it to reach the entire root system directly. Potato peels provide abundant potassium, calcium, and vitamins B and C, along with natural nutrients that stimulate new root growth, help restore weak roots, and enhance the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients. You should apply this watering method once a week. Once the plant becomes stable and grows well, you can reduce the frequency to 1 to 2 times per month for long-term maintenance. During watering, proceed slowly and use just enough water to avoid waterlogging. Keep the growing medium well aerated and allow the roots to absorb nutrients as efficiently as possible. Method 2. I pour the diluted potato peel solution into a small, clean cup. Next, soak a soft cloth or cotton pad in the solution and gently wipe each side of the orchid leaves slowly and carefully. During this process, dust and residue on the leaf surface are removed, allowing the leaves to breathe better, absorb light more efficiently, and enhance photosynthesis. The potato peel solution is rich in starch, vitamins, and natural minerals, helping nourish healthy leaves, boost resistance, and limit the growth of harmful fungi and bacteria. When wiping, make sure to clean both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so nutrients are evenly absorbed, resulting in thicker, greener, and naturally glossy leaves. You can apply this method 1 to 2 times per week to keep orchid leaves clean and ensure stable plant growth. Then method 3, I pour the diluted potato peel solution into a spray bottle. Then, lightly mist the orchid evenly, including the leaves, stem, roots, and leaf axils. Misting allows natural nutrients such as potassium, calcium, and vitamins from the potato peels to be evenly absorbed, helping boost resistance and reduce harmful bacteria and fungal growth. The solution also helps leaves become greener, glossier, thicker, and more resilient, enhancing photosynthesis and promoting more, even healthier plant growth. You should spray once a week during the first month, then maintain the applications once a month. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes. If there is any excess water remaining on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off to prevent fungal issues. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Results. After consistent application, the most visible change appears in the root system. New roots develop continuously with healthy, green, plump tips, showing efficient nutrient absorption from potato peels. When combined with diluted vinegar, the root zone remains cleaner, limiting bacteria and fungal pathogens while promoting faster recovery and stable plant growth. The leaves also show clear improvement. Orchid leaves become a deeper green, with a glossy surface and thicker texture. Leaves that were once pale and lacking vitality are now firmer and healthier, indicating that the plant is being properly nourished. For orchids that previously grew slowly, new shoots have begun to emerge from the base. In some plants, new flower spikes have even started to appear and grow tall and strong, indicating that the plants are now stable and ready to enter the next flowering stage. Each bloom is the result of patient, gentle care and the choice of appropriate natural nutrients. If you find this orchid care method helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel to discover more simple yet effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.